some issues. On being asked about why he did not campaign in Nilambur, Tharoor said there is a difference of opinion within the party. So Shashi Tharoor openly admitting that there is a difference of opinion when it comes to the leadership on certain issues. The admission of rift by the Congress MP on difference of opinion with the party when asked about why he did not campaign for the elections in Nilambur.
Yes, there may have been some differences with the leadership on some issues. Those can be sorted out in closed-door conversations, and I don't see any reason to discuss them now. Whatever is out there in the public domain is out there. We leave it there, but I can always discuss them in private when and if appropriate. So far, as I've said, no one has reached out to me, but that's all right. When the time comes, when the need arises, we will always be able to talk to each other.
Let's go across to Arpita joining us in the broadcast with more details on a question about campaigning for the Nilambur by-poll. Shashi Tharoor admits there are differences, although he says we can always talk to each other.
So for Nilambur by-polls, all star campaigners, including Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, was in Nilambur for their candidate Aryadan Shaukat. But one person who was missing in action was Shashi Tharoor. So when we asked him why did he not go to Nilambur for campaigning, what he said was he was not invited by the senior party leaders, and he also said that also he was busy with his delegation, but when he came back he did not receive any invitation from the party leaders, so he decided to stick to his prior commitments and he decided not to go to Nilambur. But he has also come out in open admitting that there are differences with the leadership, and he has said that will be discussed in closed doors. So this is big because we have seen in the past again and again there have been differences between senior Congress leaders and Shashi Tharoor. In fact, earlier when the delegation names were out, Congress leaders had given different names, but PM and Kiran Rijiju had mentioned Shashi Tharoor's name in the delegation list. So there have been multiple instances where senior leaders' decision was not matching with Shashi Tharoor's decision, but now openly Shashi Tharoor has come out and admitted that there are differences and they will sort it out talking in closed doors.
Absolutely. Remains to be seen how the High Command now takes this. Shashi Tharoor says, yes, differences are there, admits it in open, but also says, we can always talk about them behind closed doors. This is also because of the stand that Shashi Tharoor has taken in just the recent past, of hailing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policies or his governance.
Well, yes, that is one of the reasons, because remember in the past he has hailed Prime Minister's policies and also LDF government's policies, which UDF did not appreciate much, and they had said that whatever Shashi Tharoor had come out and spoken was his personal opinion, and that did not echo any of the Congress's opinion. And after that, Shashi Tharoor also came out and said that whatever he says is his personal opinion and that should not be considered as Congress's opinion. But remember, when asked to senior leaders like K.C. Venugopal about why Shashi Tharoor was not campaigning in Nilambur, they had clearly said that we couldn't get in contact with him. That is why we couldn't invite him, and that is the reason that he was not in Nilambur. But on the other hand, Shashi Tharoor has given a different statement that he never got any call or he was not invited, even after he was back from his delegation meeting, when he was back from the foreign trip. Even then he did not get any call from senior leaders, is what he is claiming to say.
Right. So while there is of course an attempt being made by the Congress party to cover this up, saying that Shashi Tharoor was not available, Shashi Tharoor himself out in the open says that there was never an invite, nobody approached him. And this is significant because we have seen how as part of the delegation, when he went to different countries to talk about India and expose Pakistan on the issue of terrorism, there were those who criticized him for hailing Modi government's policies. Some of them also called him a super spokesperson of the BJP. Arpita? Okay, all right. Let's listen into that reaction by Shashi Tharoor, in which he's admitting that there are differences, but he also says we can talk about it behind closed doors.
Yes, there may have been some differences with the leadership on some issues. Those can be sorted out in closed-door conversations, and I don't see any reason to discuss them now. Whatever is out there in the public domain is out there. We leave it there, but I can always discuss them in private when and if appropriate. So far, as I've said, no one has reached out to me, but that's all right. When the time comes, when the need arises, we will always be able to talk to each other.
Arpita, Shashi Tharoor says when need arises, we'll be able to talk to each other, but he's also saying nobody has approached me so far. Why is Shashi Tharoor being snubbed or sidelined is a question that is being asked, especially in the wake of, the blame game that began. Him being part of the delegation, hailing Modi government's policies and being called a super spokesperson of the BJP for that.
So while Shashi Tharoor has admitted and open that he did not get any invite, he has also said that since it's polling day today, he doesn't really want to comment further, and that is why he has decided that he will talk to the High Command senior leaders and he will sort out this issue. But the senior leaders are saying, in fact, KPCC President Sunny Joseph also clearly said that, in fact, he blamed Shashi Tharoor for not coming to Nelambur and campaigning. He said we had invited, but he did not come. That is what senior leaders had said. But again and again, Congress has made it clear that whatever Shashi Tharoor is saying is his personal opinion. They have always distanced themselves from Shashi Tharoor from any comment, saying that his comments are his personal comments and that does not reflect what Congress party as whole thinks. So that could be one of the reasons why he was not invited to Nelambur for campaigning. But now Shashi Tharoor has clearly said that he will sit with the High Command, he will sit with the senior leaders and discuss the issue, and he said that he was hoping for an invite. He was looking forward after he was back from his delegation to go to Nelambur, but since he did not get any invitation from the leaders, he decided to continue with his prior
Well, he maintains that we can always talk about it. Remains to be seen whether the leadership in Kerala and at the national level, whether they want to engage with him or not. Arpita, stay on with us. We're shifting our focus to the other controversies and reports coming in from Kerala. Amid the Nelambur by-poll test, a left leader's comment on an emergency era pact between CPM and RSS after late former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi had imposed emergency has become the biggest political